Welcome back to our channel, where we share daily inspiration and wellness tips to help you live your best life. Today, we're diving into the magical world of crystals and how they can supercharge your morning routine. Why crystals? Crystals have been used for centuries to promote healing, balance, and positive energy. Each crystal carries its own unique vibration that can enhance different aspects of our lives. This morning, we'll focus on 3 powerful crystals: clear quartz, amethyst, and citrine. Clear quartz for clarity. First up, clear quartz. Known as the master healer. Clear quartz amplifies energy and thought, promoting clarity and focus. Start your day by holding a clear quartz crystal while you set your intentions for the day. Visualize your goals and let the crystal's energy enhance your clarity and determination. Amethyst for calm. Next, we have amethyst. This beautiful purple crystal is perfect for calming the mind and reducing stress. Place an amethyst on your desk or carry it with you to maintain a sense of peace and tranquility throughout your day. Take a moment to breathe deeply and let the soothing energy of amethyst wash over you. Citrine for positivity. Finally, citrine, the stone of abundance and positivity. Its vibrant energy promotes joy and success. Hold a citrine crystal while you recite positive affirmations or keep it in a sunny spot to attract good vibes and abundance into your life. Integrating these crystals into your morning routine can set a powerful tone for the rest of your day. Give it a try and see how these beautiful stones can enhance your life. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below with your favorite crystal, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living your best life. Have a magical day.